How's that for the power of positive thinking? I don't even know why I doubted myself at all. Good morning and welcome to Coffee Walk. The early bird's going to get the worm today. It's early 30. I got my coffee ready. We're about to head to Fort Worth and rescue a 1967 Xke Jag out of a field. All right, so I've seen pictures of this 67 Jag, but we haven't seen it in person yet. It's literally in a field, been here since 1986. Now it was sold locally, so hopefully it's still solid enough that it doesn't need a bunch of rust repair. But I want to check it out and see what it is, because it's supposed to be your Series 1, but by looking from right here, it looks like it's got Series 1.5 or Series 2 bonnet. Let's go check it out, Alex. So that's either a Series 1.5. You got 3 wipers. It could be a late Series 1. But here's the telltale sign, and boom, that's what we want to see. So it's a 3-car motor. That could have been swapped out, but let's just check real quick. What's the head number, Alex?
7E12211-9.
It's the original head. All right, well, we're definitely gonna buy this one. We had agreed on a price over the phone, so I'm gonna go out and pay the man while Alex is figuring out how to get this out of here. But what I believe we have here, and we'll hit on this a little bit later, is I believe this is a Series 1.25. Now some of you guys are gonna go, do what? Well, I'll explain that to you later. I'll go pay the guy, Alex, you figure out how we're gonna get it out. All right, what do you think, Alex? You want to try to hook up those J-hooks under the front suspension points and just get it up a little bit with the Jeep like we normally do, get out of the hole? Yeah. See what'll air up, and maybe we can get the trailer back here.
I think we can.
All right, let's try that. Let's get the air tank and the J-hooks. 1983 Texas inspection. 1986, we can see it right here. Texas license plate. Now, this car's been color changed to black because it looks like under the hood is primrose yellow. Look back here on the ground. The seal has weathered so bad that the trim itself is just blown off the car. It's sitting in the ground. Alex, check this out. And you know you want this. Let's dig that out real careful. And it may be all in one piece. Hopefully the rest of it's down there in the weeds somewhere too. When you're buying a car like this and some of the pieces are off of it, they're usually around the car. So spend a few minutes finding them so we don't have to track them down later. Doors open. Car's so low, we're hoping it'll come up a little bit so we can get underneath it. Got a little bit of air in the tires, it's up a little bit, so hope we can get this thing rolling. All right, and we got it out of the rut. Yep. Now the problem we've got is this knockoff's missing. If this wheel falls off, that'll be a drag. That's what we did not want to happen. Okay, keep going, I'll tell you when. Okay, you're just gonna literally have to stand over here and just push on it the whole time and go incredibly slow. We're short 2 knockoffs, so we're afraid the wheel might fall off again. We may have to, I never give up, but unfortunately I'm under a time constraint, so I got a meeting. Worst case, we have to come back. I really don't want to do that either. I love it when a plan comes together. Way to go, Alex. Rescued another E-Type. Almost. We're almost there. How's that for the power of positive thinking? I don't even know why I doubted myself at all. All right, good job, sir. And we are done, another E-Type rescued. So please like, tag, share, follow. If you got one in your backyard, your barn, your basement, or in your house, we've actually got one out of a house before in the living room. Hit us up at social@cbjeep.com. Have a great day and thanks for watching.